Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Parasphere. Yes, hello, they are here, and welcome back to the Parasphere. Yes, they are here, and they've always been.
So whatever we saw in the sky, and be able to identify just what it was.
There is literally something, we may be looking at the anomaly for the first time, guys.
We've got Pete Kelsey queued up for video conference. He's got a huge amount of data to share with us from the drone experiments that we've done out of the East Field triangle. So I think we should just jump right in.
Love to see it.
You can see the mesa here in the background.
Burdette, could you play it one more time? I want to make sure I
what
saw
is
what
that?
I think I
Gotta
just
be the
saw.
rocket.
After 4 years of investigating Skinwalker Ranch as a team, we finally got good visual evidence.
That is
of
way over there. They're rocketing everywhere. That's
just
a
as we
mile
launched
away.
a rocket.
We were shooting
Dan
the rocket
Anderson
down
captured some
right
kind
here,
of blob-like
So what on
feature
earth is that?
on his high-speed camera that literally appeared out of nowhere and caused the rocket to explode.
What in the heck it is that's showing up out there on the very edge of what that instrument can measure.
That cloud
That's an exact same spot where we saw the UAP come in.
Because it didn't move.
All right, so I
Could
think
this
we
be
need to
the
look at
phenomenon
the
that causes
footage
the energy
of
spikes we've
the
detected?
ball in the
And is it
sky and see if
related
it kind
to
of
the
fits the
UAPs
same
we've seen?
location
All
as
I
to
know
what
is
this anomaly
we may
is here in
finally
the
be getting
LiDAR
closer
data.
to
Let me bring that
possible
up.
answers.
Think about all the rockets that hit about that same spot and veered
So
off.
there's the
So
object.
you can see it right there. There's something in
Well, I
the
took
sky.
a shot of it with
illuminated
myself,
by the light.
right? And so then from that, I did a 3D model of what the image looked like.
And I have that.
Okay.
I have what you
there.
put together.
Okay.
Right there. It's like
I'll
it
bring
hits
that
right
up.
on something or zap or whatever.
Boom.
So now if you notice,
Oh my God.
it clearly looks like it's two halves, and looking at it, it looks like it actually is an indentation, doesn't it?
high-speed camera when I
There's some dark
but
spot
when
to
we
it.
shot the third
From
rocket,
modeling that,
as
I
soon
put
as
this
that rocket
together,
started illuminating, we saw something.
and
that wasn't
this
there
is
in
kind
the
of my
second
idea
shot.
of what
I
it
can't
looks like.
explain what it is.
There's dark
I've
spots
never
on the
seen
end, and
anything
it's like
that
a
come off
dumbbell,
the
sort of.
Thank you for watching the Parasphere. We hope you enjoy our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical accounts, sightings and disclosure of these sphere UFOs from the past and present. And remember, keep your eyes to the skies and stay curious.